What is a habit? Romanticize your life. Journaling and a gratitude. Take up like 6 or 7, go to the gym and kickstart a day. Hey, what's good Sparkies? My name is Trishaa and welcome back to my channel with another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about the 10 habits that you need to level up in 2024. It will help you to evolve as a person and also help you to exit your lazy girl era in 2024. But before we move ahead to this video, if you're new to this channel, then hi, my name is Trishaa. I'm a lifestyle content creator, which means I film anything and everything around life, fashion, beauty, travel, food and much more. So fasten your seatbelt and do press the subscribe button and the bell notification to be a part of my Sparkle Squad. Now let's understand what is a habit. According to globally celebrated book Atomic Habits, habit is a certain type of a behavior or a pattern that a person performs on a daily basis. It is as simple as that. But does it as simple to build them? Well, somewhere yes. Now with this note, let's start with the habit number 1, which is romanticize your life. I know we all heard this word all over the internet that you should romanticize your life and blah blah blah. But what does that actually mean? Let's ask a Google about that. It means finding joy, love and peace within yourself. Isn't it that beautiful and simple? Which means accept yourself, accept your present and be the main character of your life. I personally feel that life ना एक movie जैसी होती है. So why should not we be the main character of our own life? Start taking charge of your life in your own hand. Start taking decision to the life that you want to create and walk according to that. Do whatever which makes your soul happy. For example, if you love wearing bold color lipsticks, then go ahead and wear them. Trust me, once you do that, you feel a different level confidence in yourself and you glow from within. Number 2 is take your habits. Now this is one of the fabulous concept that I have learned from this book named Atomic Habits, which means if you want to build any new habit, try to mix it with your existing habit and that way you can easily build a new habit. For example, after getting into my bed at night, I will read at least 5 pages of book. Then try to put a book on bedside table, or right after my dinner, I will put dishes into dishwasher, or while getting ready, I will listen to affirmation or any podcast. Once you master this basic structure, you can create larger stack of habits by chaining small habits together. Number 3 is plan your day in advance. I cannot say how much I love doing this, and trust me, making a to-do list or planning your day in advance will sort your day and you will be able to complete all the tasks that has been aligned for that particular day, because in that way आपका brain blank नहीं हो जाएगा एकदम से कि अब मुझे काम क्या करना है. Make a to-do list even if the work is as simple as visiting a DMart or any other particular grocery store or even changing a basic. When you start doing this, आपका brain बहुत ज़्यादा clear होगा कि मुझे इस काम के बाद ये काम करना है, and by doing this you can even get little extra time for yourself in a day. You can use digital or physical to-do list, or you can just simply use sticky notes to make your to-do list, whichever is comfortable to you and more accessible to you. Number 4 is journaling and a gratitude. I cannot express how these small habits can do big magic to your life. I am doing journaling since I was in school, but since 2023 I have started practicing gratitude and I have seen so many major positive changes in my life. Trust me, once you start practice gratitude, universe आपको दुगना return देगा. And it's not a rocket science, it simply means that you are thankful to the universe for giving all those beautiful things in your life. If you are newbie to journal or gratitude, I suggest internet पे बहुत सारे free templates available है. You can take a free sample from that and start practicing. And I personally suggest do journaling right before you go to the bed. Write each and everything about your day. काम कैसा गया, किसने क्या क्या किया, आपने क्या क्या किया, and everything. And in the morning, right after you wake up, show a little gratitude to the universe for giving one more beautiful day to your life to create the dream life that you always want. Number 5 is skipping your breakfast is complete no. I will be honest with you that I am not at all breakfast girl. Even if I wake up early, I get my coconut water, some nuts and a huge mug of coffee and that's it, I'm done. But I'm trying to be a breakfast girl. Slowly इतना progress नहीं हुआ, but I think by 2024 end होगा तब तो हो ही जाएगा, because breakfast is the first meal of the day that you put inside your body and it should be as fulfilling as it can be, because it will keep you energized all day and give that perfect kickstart to your day. Number 6 is trying a new skill. It looks so simple, but trust me, learning one new small skill will enhance your confidence level. For example, you want to learn a new language, then each day learn just one new word from that particular language, and by end of this year you will know the at least 100 new words from that language. It looks small, but at the end of the month or when you look at the end of the year, you will have at least 100 new words with you. Number 7 is my personally favorite, which is self-care and self-love, and this is so important, and you don't need to spend thousands and thousands for this particular thing. It simply means that appreciate your worth, appreciate the work you are doing, and simply treat yourself, love yourself first, and take care of yourself as good as you are caring for your family or the loved ones. Give yourself a simple rose once a week, or treat yourself with a fancy dinner once a while. Appreciate your small achievements. Gift yourself anything that you want once in a while, and just pamper yourself. Book a spa day, and if you don't want to go to salon, that's okay, you can do it at home as well. Take good care of your skin and body, and trust me, you don't need 1500 products. You simply need 3 to 4 products to make a perfect skincare routine. Stand in front of the mirror and say I love you, and see the magic happening around you. Number 8 is improve your sleeping cycle. According to a research, a human body needs at least sound sleep of 7 to 8 hours, and I know मेरे पास बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो drastically sleeping cycle change करना चाहते हैं, which is not possible. They expect to sleep at least by 1 or 2 at the night and then wake up like 6 or 7, go to the gym and kickstart a day, which is not possible. Let's be practical, let's be human here, let's accept that we are not superhumans or a robot. We cannot do that. This is a time-taking process. For example, if you are going to bed by 12 o'clock, try to go to the bed by 11 or 11:30. This is more practical and easy, and by doing these small steps, you can definitely improve your sleeping cycle. Trust me, this is very time-taking process. You have to be patient, but once you master this art, trust me, you will feel more energetic next day. Number 9 is 2 minutes rule. Now this is also one of the fabulous concepts that I have learned from this book, Atomic Habits. I'm pretty sure that some of these images would be in your vision board 2024, and each year we take certain type of resolution, but have you wondered why it doesn't work? Well, I learned this 2-minute rule, and you can also achieve your vision by using this simple technique. Just do any work for 2 minutes every day and then stop, like literally stop. For example, you want to go to the gym, then go and come back in 2 minutes. For example, you want to read a book, start reading a book and stop reading exactly after 2 minutes. Trust me, अगर आप चाहोगे भी तो भी आप stop नहीं कर पाओगे, because that's how reverse psychology is working. And last but not the least, my personal favorite, spend at least 10 to 15 minutes each day with yourself and do nothing. Like literally do not do anything, and it means social media भी scroll नहीं करना है. You can listen to a good music if you want, but that's it. उसके सिवा कुछ भी नहीं करना है. If you want to dance like a पागल, do it, but उससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं करना. And by doing this, you are giving your mental health a little break from your chaotic days, which is so important and necessary as well. Alright, now let's wrap this video with a bonus tip, which is my personal thing जो मैं हर रोज करती हूँ, which is I consume clean content. Now I know that's weird, but I personally feel that हम जो भी content social media पे या OTT पे consume करते हैं, उसका direct या indirect effect आता है हमारे work पे, हमारी mental health पे and हमारी productivity पे. So I try to consume comic, light-hearted and clean content these days, and I am seeing a little but a major difference in my life. So that's a bonus tip. If you want to experiment with this tip, you can definitely, and let me know आपकी life में इससे क्या effect आता है. So yeah, that's it for this video. These are the 10 beautiful habits that you can level up in 2024 and exit your lazy girl era. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. With this, I'm signing off. We'll meet you in my next video. Till then, stay sparkly.